Hi, I am Harikrishnan. I am skilled as a computer numeric control programmer. Computer numeric control program, we do CNC lathe, CNC milling, Mastercam and AutoCAD. I am performing this video in order to avail World Skill Council certificate. Now I am showing you the program process. We have already done the program section, and after that we have to set the workpiece. After setting the workpiece, we have to ensure if we are given the correct geometrical height, we have input the height size already. Then we have to go to the program section. After the program is checked, we have to put the we have to put the simulator in the auto, and also we have to cycle start.